Hello, Anthony.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Thank you. Can you see me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, super. How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
Mm, Sleepy today. I am a little sad because uh, today it is a bad weather, and this morning I had to walk my dog under the hard rain, so all my clothes got wet, and they are on a dry right now. But this evening I'm going to have a walk with him one more time. So I really believe that it will be dry until this time, but I'm not sure. And I'm sad because it got a little colder. Right now it's plus 13 degrees of Celsius only outside, and I can't wear any dresses, any skirts or shorts with t-shirts. I'm sad of it. I really want this weather to end up and summer come to Kiev. Really, really waiting for this. Tell me, please, how was your week?
I was good because we worked only 3 days because Thursday we had a kind of school party. I don't know why.
Mhm.
Uh, and Friday we don't have school. And this week as well we work Monday, Tuesday, half of Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday we don't have school.
Perfect. Did you relax these days?
Yes, yes, I have.
hmm Okay. How are the results? Did you get any results after
Oh
your?
no, I thought the results were gonna be this Thursday, but actually I'm going to get them at the end of May or at the beginning of July,
Oh,
Of June.
of June? Okay, I see. Okay. Well, I thought that the results will be as close as they are, but they aren't, in fact. Okay. Nevertheless, the results will be nice and positive for you. I do believe so. I'm happy for your light week. My week wasn't as light as yours, but it wasn't as negative as it could be. And I'm excited about it. And I'm ready to start our productive lesson today. I will tell you in English some words. Your task is to explain me them into English, like say the meaning of it. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Without translation, only the meaning. Endangered species.
Endangered species. It's the kind of animals
Mhm.
who are in the they're in danger of disappearing. Like I give my favorite example, the pandas. If we don't protect them, they will disappear. This is
Mhm.
why people are doing everything to protect them.
Thank you. Environmentally friendly.
Environmentally friendly. It's a kind of people. Uh, they love nature. They don't like maybe they don't love nature, but they respect it and they don't try to make things worse as they are. They
Mhm.
don't. How do we say that?
They
They
don't
don't.
harm. They don't harm.
Yes, they don't harm nature.
Okay. Can you explain me the difference between creature and species?
A creature is well, we are a creature. A creature is how to explain it? It's a human being,
hmm
but no, it's not a human being. It's a being,
hmm
like like a bird, like a wolf. Everything is a creature, but um, not a plant. But we can sometimes say a creature when it's scary. I mean, we use
hmm
this.
hmm
Look at this creature. I mean,
Yeah. Okay. One more. Can you please explain me the antonyms? destroy, and protect.
Destroy and protect.
Mm-hmm.
Well, to destroy something is oh, like I have this book,
Mm-hmm.
this copybook, and I can burn it,
Mm-hmm.
and it will be destroyed completely. I cannot have it back if I burn it. So this is destroying. Like it's making something. Well, to destroy something, it's to, I don't know. Well, you destroy something, it cannot come back. Just destroy something definitely.
Mm-hmm. Thanks. And protect.
Protect is to make sure that nobody destroys what you like or
Mm-hmm.
what you are protecting.
Can you make examples of synonyms to the word protect and to the word destroy? Synonyms that you know in English.
Examples.
Examples of words. Yeah.
I don't really understand synonyms of words destroy and protect.
Yes. Do you know any
Ah,
synonyms?
destroy,
Mm-hmm.
erase.
Okay. There wasn't a word like this in our topic, but okay, could be.
I'm sorry.
For example, destroy and damage. Yeah.
Damage. Okay, destroy, damage,
Mm-hmm. How about protect?
capture. I don't know. How
Protect.
about protect? Protect. Uh, take care of.
Take care of. Yeah. Any other? Save could be.
Save.
Mm-hmm.
Save.
And for instance, prevent. Prevent.
Prevent. I
Yeah.
forgot the word prevent.
Okay. One more. Can you explain me the word survive?
Survive is to continue living even in hard conditions. It's to try to survive is try to continue living even if
Mhm.
it's hard.
Perfect meaning, thank you. And the last one, conservation projects. What are they? Conservation.
Conservation project. Well,
Yeah.
I think it's um, when to conserve something, it's to make sure that it stays. Like I can conserve the plant I have at my house to make sure it doesn't die. This is conserve, and I think conserving project. There's societies that make sure that um, endangered animals don't die or plants, endangered plants don't die as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay, strongly agree with you. That's right. Thanks for the meanings that you made for me. Now it's time to continue. We are starting today's work with some sounds that we'll learn right now. How is the underlined letter A pronounced in each word below? Let's listen to it and let's put the words into the correct sounds. As
Mm-hmm.
you see, there are 4 columns. In each column, there is a sound but in different variations.
Yes, I don't really understand those signs.
Yes, we will discuss them. You will hear it right now. The first one, the first column is A, A. The
A,
second,
okay,
yes,
A,
A. Mhm. The next column is E, long
A,
E, long
A,
E.
okay,
Mhm.
A,
And the third one is E, just a short
A,
E,
and the fourth one is
just E.
anymore. Oh,
Yeah, it feels like this. Animals, animals, mals.
animals, yeah,
Yeah.
animals.
Let's try. Let's try to do it as fast as we can and as good as we can. I'm turning
Okay.
on the sound to start.
Track 5.1. A. Change, conservation, endangered, paper. R. Glass,
Oh,
plants, A. Damaged, natural. Animals, climate.
Find out.
Well, it's a bit strange because I didn't really hear the difference between the ah.
Yes, let's listen to it again. I see your problem.
Track 5.1. A. Change,
Okay.
conservation, endangered, paper. R. Glass, plants. A. Damaged, natural. Animals, climate.
Well, I got it, but it's a bit funny. Like, oh,
Yeah. In fact, in our oral English speaking, we use only just okay. So the first one, change, conservation, paper, and no, endangered.
endangered.
Thank you. Next, the second one.
Glass, plants,
The third one.
damaged, natural.
And the last one.
Animals, climate.
Yeah. In your pronunciation, I didn't hear any difference. In fact, but it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Just
Change, conversations, paper, endangered, glass,
no, I
glass.
said glass.
Glass. Okay.
Plants.
Glass,
Glass.
plants,
Yes.
glass, plants, cup of tea.
Yeah. Okay.
What's the third song? It's
Yeah. But it's short.
damaged,
It must be short.
natural. Animals, climate.
The last poem, I don't really understand the case between the last and the previous. They are quite hard, and they have almost no difference. But into English pronunciation, they have. We have to worry about it. Okay, it's time for reading. Let's read about the Whitley Fund for Nature below and answer the questions. Start, please. The Whitley Fund for Nature.
The Whitney Fund for Nature. Subscribe. The WFN is a UK-based charity that aims to help the environment in different parts of the world. They give money to people who are trying to save their local environment from danger. They believe that the best projects are practical, are based on good science, help local people, but also depend on local people's help. Every year, they give awards of up to 45,000 pounds, is that?
Yes.
Pounds to help people run projects that will bring long-term positive change to the environment. With the help of the Whitley Award money, these people will be able to increase the size of their projects and become better known both in their own country and abroad.
Who do they give money to?
They give money to different people to run projects. To help people run.
To run projects or people who are trying to save the local environment from danger.
Yeah.
How much money do they give?
Up to 45,000 pounds.
What can winners do with the money?
We can help to change the environment, or we can create the project we want.
Thank you. Let me know, please. Where does the person work?
In UK.
How did they first get interest in conservation?
Oh, I didn't got that. Wait. How?
They got it by the website.
Yeah, well, I don't see why they decided to do that.
Well, there is no question like why, just how. How?
Ah,
How
well,
did they first?
how how did they first?
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand.
Mm-hmm. Again, I will repeat the question and we will discuss it. How did they first get interested in conservation?
Well, I cannot really see the answer. Uh,
There is no obvious answer in the text. These are extra questions that we must discuss.
ah. Hmm. Well, I think they love nature. They're nature lovers.
Yes, okay. They are environmentally friendly. Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
They want to prevent uh, nature from extinct.
Mm-hmm. Yes. What wildlife are they trying to protect?
Nature. Uh, what wildlife? Well, I mean the plants, I think.
The plants, you think? Mm-hmm. Okay. Do they work with local people?
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
but they also work with people around the world.
Around the world. Exactly. What do they hope will happen in the future?
Um, they hope that big change is gonna happen thanks to them
Be changing what?
in the environment and the
Mm.
society.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, thank you. I want you to read some more information about three people uh, who have won a Whitley Award. Now you know the information about this award. And these people have won it to help their local environments. We must look at them, we must observe them, and try to answer the same questions, but exactly about these heroes. Letter A, a quote, a non.
Wait, I'll try to find the page because it's really far away.
Yes, quite far away. Um, Wait, maybe I pointed out the page. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I don't have.
Oh, I found it. I found it.
It's good. Please, let's read about the first one from,
Alexander Blanco.
no, a letter
Bla-
A, Cameroon.
okay. The Eba forest in Cameroon covers almost 2,000 kilometers. How do we say in English kilometers with a 2 above? Square
Kilometers square.
kilometers.
Yes.
Yeah. The Eba forest in Cameroon covers almost 2,000 square kilometers and is home to a unique mix of 11 primates, including gorillas and the Nigeria-Cameroon chimpanzee, the most endangered of the chimpanzee. These amazing chimps use tools to fish and open fruit. In addition, the spectacular Goliath frog, the largest frog in the world, lives here. The Cameroon government is considering turning the Ebo forest into a national park with a focus on conservation, research and tourism. But there are still threats from local people and large companies who want to use the land for farming. Ekobaj Enang Abwe grew up in the village in Cameroon, so his love for chimpanzees began to an early age. He has played in important roles in area for over a decade, and since 2010 he has been managing the Igbo Forest Research Project, as well as encouraging local communities to be proud of the forest's unique biodiversity. This project has been doing biological research for the forest. The project has regular contacts with communities, though environmental and conservation education. They hope they will be able to create a safe future for the Igbo forest.
Mhm. Do you read anything in English by sound aloud?
Oh, no. What do you mean? Do I read books in English?
No, I'm sure that you read books in English. I'm not sure whether you read books in English aloud,
No, I don't read them aloud.
because for students who read English inside, not inside out, it's really hard for a long time to keep your voice and to keep your sound clear. And
To keep my sound what?
to keep your sound clear, what does it mean? It means while you're reading a lot, you start breathing like this. So you have no habit for reading it aloud, and you have not enough breath, not enough air just to keep it in into the correct limit line. That's why I'm asking. Okay, thank you. Let's read about Alexander Blanco.
Alexander Blanco. The harpy eagle is one of the world's largest eagles. Its wings stretch 6 feet, 1.83 meters, from end to end. These eagles live in forests all the way from Mexico to northern Argentina. Unfortunately, environmental problems like logging, deforestation, and poaching have endangered the species. Since 1996, veterinary surgeon Alexander Blanco has been working to save these important birds in Brazil and Ecuador, as well as in his home country of Venezuela. After my first experience of tagging an eagle chick nearly 20 years ago, I decided that this was what an eagle chick nearly 20 what? I decided I decided that this was what I wanted to do, he explained. Now he leads a national program to protect the species. His vision is to develop protection strategies so that local people can help to save the harpy eagles and the land around them. By working with communities, he hopes to reduce deforestation and protect a greater number of places where the birds nest.
Continue. Letter C.
Letter C. Sagan Sekure Sigulu. Turkey has a huge variety of natural environments, from Mediterranean forest to coastal mountains, but many of these areas are threatened by the construction of new dams and roads. Sagan Sekaresegulu has been working hard to protect some of these areas. He is the first conservation to win the Whitney Gold Award. In 2008, he won his first award for his work to protect the natural environment around Lake Kuyukuk, home to over 4,000 birds of 227 species. This work included research into local wildlife, creating environment education programs for schools, and promoting natural tourism to support the local economy. He won the award again in 2013 after he persuaded the government to create Turkey's first wildlife corridor. approximately 4.5 million trees will be planted to connect the Sakami Sukalahabar Mountains National Park to the forest along the Black Sea coast and the Caucasus Mountains in neighbor Georgia. This will allow large animals such as the wolf, brown bear, and Caucasian lynx to move freely and safely. Sagan's interest in conservation began when he was a teenager in Istanbul and the local wetland area where he had played as a small child was destroyed. This early experience inspired his life's work of protecting Turkey's wildlife habitat. For his next mission, he hopes to stop the construction of a dam that could destroy one of the world's most important wetlands.
I admire your reading, especially admire the confidence that you have while you are reading unknown names of people and also places. Just I need to give you lots of applause for this. You are a superhero for reading such hard and funny names and places. Okay. Let me know, please, what do the people and their projects that you have already read have in common?
They're all foreign.
Okay, thank you.
Now I know they are all wanting to protect nature, wildlife, and they will do everything in their power to stop the construction of everything, I don't know what, to protect animals, trees, wild nature, forests, everything like that.
Okay. Do you think one project is more important than the others? Because there are three projects from different three people.
Well, I think I really have to support Sagan Sekorika Sikali.
Exactly. Okay, but if without fun, yes?
Well, I think he wants to stop. Well, I think every project is important, but I really like the first and the last one because what's his name? Ekwanok and Bawe Eboe. He wants to protect the forest against people who come with bad intentions, and he wants to save this forest and the chimpanzee and the frog, everything, and he will wait until opening the forest to everyone. And the Sagan, I don't want to do it again. This guy, he wants to stop the construction of buildings and roads to protect nature and wild animals.
Okay, so their projects are close to you because they are connected with wildlife. Yeah?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Which projects would you like to visit or help?
Or help. I don't know. I think Sagan Sekorisikalu is very funny, so I want to meet him and help him to protect the forest. I don't know actually. I'm not like there's not something that very is interesting to me, but I don't know.
Okay.
The first guy really looks like my Bible teacher in school.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. I see. I see. But you got interested in the last person, right?
No, I just like his name.
Okay, thanks for the truth. Thank you. Well, this story represents different stories, yes, of these people who got an award. They represent one topic that they don't care about the local place where they live and also wildlife which is around them, and they don't care about the problems or not only in their local routine, place, but also around the world. That's why they take a lot of time and eat their time and energy to solve those problems. We are going to listen Masha. Masha is going to Costa Rica to work on a
Masha!
Masha, yes, to
Yes!
work on an environmental project. Listen to her talking about it. Remember information, bless you, as much
Thank you.
information as you can. How much does she know about the project that she's going to take up? And try, please, to fill in with true and false information about Masha's environmental project. Okay?
Okay.
Let's
Okay.
Track 5.3.
Are they environmentally friendly in Costa Rica? Do they protect their rainforests and animals?
Well, yes, they do. The government is doing a lot, but it takes quite a long time for forests to recover if they've already been cut down. They'll probably grow back, but not immediately.
Are you going to work in the rainforests?
No, I'm not. I'll be by the sea. I'm going to work on a project that looks after turtles.
Turtles? That's very cool. But how do you look after turtles? I mean, what do you do?
Well, to be honest, I don't really know. Tomorrow I'm meeting someone who worked on the project and she's going to tell me about the kinds of things I'm going to do.
So who else works on the project? Just people from overseas or local people too?
I'm not sure about that either. Perhaps I'll work with local people as well.
So, you're off to save the world. I think that's great.
Don't know about saving the world, but I'll definitely be able to save some turtles. And I'm going to make the most of my time in Costa Rica and learn some Spanish too.
Let me know how things go.
Sure. Actually, I'm going to keep a blog, so I'll write regular updates on the blog and you can follow that.
Good idea. I'm sure you'll have a great time.
Yeah, so am I.
Are you keeping a blog right now? Your blog?
No, but I remembered.
Mm-hmm. Are you still interested in it or you don't care?
I am interested.
You are. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what did we find out about Masha's project, environmental project?
That Masha wants to try working on a project to protect I forgot, to protect frogs. No,
Turtles.
turtles. Yes, but she doesn't know much about the project, and she's going to meet up with a person who knows more about the project, and it's going to happen in Costa Rica. So she's going to live there for a while, and she wants to study Spanish and everything like that.
Mm-hmm. She's also going to keep a blog where other people can follow her and see the results of her try. Let me know, please. The government in Costa Rica wants to save the rainforests. Is it true or false?
It's true.
Masha will find out more about her project soon. Is it true or false?
It's true.
She knows exactly who she's going to work with.
No, it's false.
She promises to send you regular emails.
I think it's true. I don't really...
No, she didn't say about emails. She said that she's going to keep a blog, and with the help of this blog, Phil could observe the results of her project.
Okay.
But not private emailing.
Track 5.3.
Okay, this is the end of our listening time. I want you, well, yes, we'll do it right now. I want you right now to open your pupils book on page 152. 152. Today, while we were discussing about environmentally friendly people, about wildlife, about awards, We were using future forms. You were using future forms all the time. So this topic, grammar topic, won't be harsh for you or hard for you because you already know much information about it. We're going to listen to some examples of future forms with decisions, plans, and arrangements, with offers, promises, and suggestions, and also predictions. We will refresh our knowledge in future forms and do some extra activities just to actualize it. Did you find the page?
Yes, 152 I found it.
Okay, super. Remember when to use be going to and when to use will, because there are difference in usage. And here is the rules of them. Let's listen to the examples.
Track 5.4.
OK, I'll come for a run with you.
We're not going to stay at that hotel again.
She's travelling to Central America on Sunday.
I have one tip for you. You can see in the first example, I'll come for a run with you. The action which is spontaneous, which is based on a spontaneous decision. When we speak about spontaneous decision, we use will. When we speak about future intentions or plans, we use be going to. And finally, when we talk about arrangements with fixed plans and usually involving other people, places, and specific times, we always use present continuous for future. I have a question for you. Which of these forms is the strongest? The strongest of future.
What do you mean the strongest?
The strongest, it means 200% of this action.
I think it's the second one.
Be going to?
Yes.
No, the last one with strong arrangements for future, present continuous.
I know why, because present continuous she is going, because it's 100% sure she is going there.
When we use be going to, we have some intentions and plans. Yes, we made a decision earlier, but it is only on 90%. Only on 90%, because there are situations where we can't do anything. It just happens at all. But when we use present continuous for future, no extra situations, no source situations, just everything fixed, second by second, line by line, minute by minute. You see?
Yes, I see.
That's why present continuous for future is the strongest, it's on the first place. Then be going to is on the second place. And on the last place, we can see a spontaneous decision. Now, offers and promises and suggestions. What do we use for offers, promises, and suggestions? Will, be going to, or present continuous for future? Let's see.
Track 5.5. I'll help you if you like.
I'll always be here when you need me.
Can I carry that for you?
Oh, yes, please.
Shall we go swimming on Saturday?
That's a good idea.
We see that when we offer something or promise to do something, we always use will form. And also in different offers, we can use can and shall. Can and shall. No be going to, no present continuous for future when we speak about offers, promises, and suggestions. And the last, predictions. Do you remember what is prediction?
Prediction is I think what I think will happen next.
Exactly. Yes, and you have already answered the question that we use will form. But let's see some examples.
Track 5.6.
I'm sure you'll learn a lot when you go travelling.
Don't put that there, it'll fall off.
We should leave soon. The roads are going to be busy.
It's not going to rain. There isn't a cloud in the sky.
Aha! We see, according to the examples, that while we are speaking about predictions, we can use both variants, will and be going to. When do we use will? We use will after phrases like I'm sure, I think, and others when we give our own opinion. Based on nothing.
Don't put it there, it'll fall off. There's no I think or...
Yeah, there is no I think, but this example represents that this is our own opinion. I want this to happen.
Okay.
It's not based on anything. Just zero. However, when we use be going to for predictions, we must understand that the action...
We have proof.
Yes, based on concrete facts, things that we can see or information that we have read.
Yes.
We should leave soon. The roads are going to be busy. It's not going to rain. There isn't a cloud in the sky. Why? Why here we used be going to? Because it is based on information that we have read or we have seen recently, or even we have heard recently. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. We have 4 minutes to come up with 3 exercises on page 152. A. Underline the best option in each sentence. First, it's a bit hot in here. You're right. Open a window.
I'm going to open a window.
Okay, why?
Because we cannot say I will going to open a window.
Yeah, but there is no variant like this. There is a variant I'll open a window or I'm going to open a window.
Ah! Wait.
Yeah, waiting.
I'll open a window because it's spontaneous.
Spontaneous decision, right. 2. I'm going to the shops. Will, can I get you anything?
Can I get you anything?
Yes.
Because will I get you anything is I don't know.
It's only for positive sentences. Only will for positive sentences. When we offer something, we use can or shall. 3. Why are you carrying those flowers? Because
I'm going to ask Sarah to marry me.
Thank you.
This is a planned action. I am going to.
Exactly. I'm so tired. I shall make you some coffee if you want.
I'll make you some coffee if you want, because this is spontaneous too.
Yes, that's right. And shall, can, we use only in offers at the beginning.
Yeah.
5. I've got a bad stomach. I think.
I've got a bad stomach. I'm going to be sick because he thinks so.
No, because we see here a phrase, I think, I think, I think, I don't think, I'm sure. After these phrases, we always use will. Only will.
Okay, I think, yes, it's because it's a personal opinion.
Yeah, I think, I don't think, I believe. This is all about willness. Okay, thank you. We're going to stop right now. I have a question for you. 3 tips that you remembered after today's meeting?
Well, the future forms, because that's something I could tell, but it's not something I really understood. So now I understand it. I learned about people who are really protecting the nature, like this. Well, the text showed me that there are people who really spending their lives that protecting
Okay.
nature. And the third thing. Well, I don't know. It was.
Okay. Two main things you got for you. First, future, and then people who a little bit inspired you to think about the wildlife and to be environmentally friendly, right?
Well, I was environmentally friendly. I said I was a bit shocked that there are people who are ready to spend their lives
Okay.
protecting.
So, people who inspired you to spend your life on wildlife.
No.
I'm joking. It's just joking.
Well, it was a very good lesson. I enjoyed it.
Okay. Thanks for your feedback. Every time we will reflect with you in the end because I want you to point out the mains for you. I want you to learn how to do it. That's why after the end of the lesson, I will always
Okay.
ask you. Okay, goodbye. See you. See you later.
Goodbye. See you. Thank you. See you. Thank